Areon Network, a new blockchain platform, is soon launching its testnet, and it promises to introduce a new blockchain technology called Proof of Area, POA. This innovative technology aims to provide faster and more reliable trading of ETHs, a more realistic experience in the metaverse, and a new generation of blockchain technology. Proof of Area is a novel algorithm designed to reduce the costs associated with the proof of stake algorithm while ensuring transaction security similar to the proof of work algorithm. All transactions within the Areon blockchain ecosystem are verified using the Proof of Area algorithm. Areon Chain is a Layer 1 blockchain with a unique architecture that utilizes its own protocol, Proof of Area, POA, to achieve high transaction speeds, claimed to be the fastest in the market, and scalability. Furthermore, it features an innovative design centered around area lands in Areon City. Areon City serves as the central hub of the Areon ecosystem, a virtual world created using blockchain and artificial intelligence technologies. This world offers a wide range of opportunities to Areon users, divided into various zones such as Area Lands and Areon Market. Users can participate in events, make purchases, and access special features and services within these zones. Let's take a closer look at the Proof of Area, POA, protocol in the context of the new blockchain. It is based on the ownership of digital assets. The POA protocol uses as a cryptographic hash function to ensure security and consensus. These functions are used to verify transactions and add blocks to the chain. The hash function produces unpredictable output, making manipulation of blocks difficult. Interestingly, the Proof of Area algorithm confirms transactions in the blockchain through user nodes, randomly selecting the owners of Areon land in Areon City. Each node's confirmation of a transaction distributes the block reward among all owners of area land based on the amount of area land they own. The first cryptocurrency using the Proof of Area, POA, protocol is Area. The Area token, also known as Area token, is a cryptocurrency created on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain. It serves as the internal token of the Areon Network project. As of January 12, 2023, Area token was introduced into circulation through the PancakeSwap pool with a total supply of 500 million tokens. Currently, there are 63,062,299 tokens in circulation. An important aspect is that Area token has no owner, and the Areon Network team does not have any control over the token. The number of Area token tokens outside of circulation is locked using a mechanism called Areon Lock. The locking period is set at 5 years, ensuring controlled token release over time. The token has been listed on 3 major exchanges: MEX, Bitmart, and Hotbit. At present, the token is valued at 23 cents. Within the Areon Network ecosystem, the token serves as a means for transfers, payment of transaction fees, and rewards between users. The most interesting part is that 25 million tokens have been allocated for the airdrop. We've already familiarized ourselves with the blockchain and the token, but let's take a look at other products offered by the team. Areon Games. It is a gaming platform within the Areon ecosystem, hosting various types of games where users can utilize Areon ETHs in their gameplay. Areon Games also organizes prize tournaments and other events. Areon Scan. This is a network scanner available to users, similar to the scanners we are familiar with for other blockchains. Areon Education. It is an educational platform within the Areon ecosystem, providing users with educational materials about blockchain and cryptocurrency. Areon Wallet. Areon Wallet is a digital wallet offering various features, including cryptocurrency exchange, high-level security through multi-factor authentication and hardware wallets, integration with the entire Areon ecosystem, EFT viewing capabilities, and cross-chain exchange functionality for cryptocurrency transactions between different blockchain networks. Let's connect two important facts. The testnet is coming soon, and the project aims to launch its mainnet by the end of the year with 25 million tokens allocated for an airdrop to the community. I suggest keeping an eye on the project's Twitter to stay updated on the testnet launch and other activities.